Mick Jagger strutting his stuff in trademark style in Adelaide. But despite finally getting their tour of Australia and New Zealand underway, the Rolling Stones are locked in a legal battle with their underwriters after cancelling these concerts the first time round. The tour, originally scheduled for earlier this year, was postponed after Lorraine Scott, Mick Jagger's girlfriend of 13 years, committed suicide. According to court papers, in the wake of her death, Sir Mick was diagnosed with acute traumatic stress disorder and advised by his doctor not to perform for 1 month. The group had taken out a £15 million insurance policy to be paid in the event shows were cancelled for causes including the death of family members or a loved one such as Miss Scott. But underwriters say her death may not be covered by the policy, as it was not beyond her control. Because she committed suicide, it was not sudden and unforeseen. They've now refused to pay out nearly £8 million, as they claim she may have been suffering from a pre-existing mental illness which would invalidate the policy. Lorraine Scott's mental health is now the subject of this legal conflict. Underwriters have just won permission to gain access to her medical records in Utah, the state where she grew up.
It's a matter for the commercial court judge construing what the policy says and deciding if what has happened falls within the cover. Obviously, the underwriters say it doesn't, and if they win, then there'll be no payout.
But whatever the outcome of the legal fights, for some Australian fans, the misery continues. One of the rescheduled shows has already been cancelled, this time after Mick Jagger was diagnosed with a throat infection. Alex Rossi, Sky News.